Hello my dear students of class 8, welcome to our e-learning class. Now today we will read from this book. Uh, this book, it opens with the chapter The Indian Constitution. Now you will find that I have written a phrase on the board, the Supreme Law of India. So which is the Supreme Law of India? It is Bharatiya Samvidhan. The Indian Constitution. In this chapter, we are going to begin with football, a game many of you have probably heard of or even played. As the name suggests, this is a game that involves the player's feet. According to the rules of football, if the ball touches the arm of any player except the goalkeeper, then this is considered a foul. So if players start holding the football in their hands and passing it around, then they are not playing football anymore, because at that time they will be violating the rules. Similarly, other games such as hockey or cricket also have rules according to which they are played. Each of these rules helps define the game and helps us distinguish one game from another. As these are fundamental to the game, we can also call them the constitutive rules of the game. Meaning of constitutive is having the power to enact or establish, or constructive. The meaning I have written on the board. Before my class gets over, I will move aside. At that time, you can just have a clear view. Sorry, I've missed my line. I've got... Like these games, a society also has constitutive rules that make it what it is and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. In large societies in which different communities of people live together, these rules are formulated through consensus. Meaning of consensus also I have written, a general agreement. And in modern countries, this consensus is usually available in written form. A written document in which we find such rules is called a constitution. Underline this sentence, it is very important. Rules means the set of principles following which a society, a kingdom, a land, a country which can be governed or ruled. We have looked at the Indian Constitution in class 6 and 7 in our social and political life textbooks. Have you ever wondered why we need a constitution? Definitely, what's the use of constitution? Or been curious about how the constitution got written? Who has written the constitution? Obviously we know, but still then these questions, they have come in our mind, no? Or who wrote it? So when the constitution was being written, who were present? Whose opinions, whose ideas were taken? These questions must have come in our mind. In this chapter, we will discuss both these issues and also look at the key features of the Indian Constitution. So here are the answers that we are going to get from this chapter. Each of these features is crucial to the working of democracy in India, and some of these will be the focus of different chapters in this book. So meaning of democracy, do you know? Definitely you know, but still then I have just tried to explain it. This word democracy, it has come from the Greek word demokrasia. I have written it on the board, where demos means people and kratos means rule. That means this is a type of government where people rule, might be directly through personal participation or indirectly through elected representatives. So children, it's now time to say you bye. In our next video, we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. Bye. Oh, before I move, before my class gets over, just see the meanings.